little bit of sparkle in there. I think that's all dialed in now. You see there, it's not moving much. I'm pretty happy about that. Can't complain about that. Pretty good. Pissing now with rain today, so just in the shed, just pissing around. Got all the bearings on there. They look pretty good. And seems to crank alright, so pretty happy about that. So I'll see how we go. I reckon it's alright. Here's our little postie bike build. We've got most of the insides all in. We've got the new crank. That's going real well. Brand new bearings. I've just done up a little bit on the covers. Painted the head, done all that. Some more of the covers that we've just done. The barrel. Barrel's all been cleaned. Probably just do a very light hone on the bore. Brand new piston going in. Just got to fit some parts. That goes on the other side. Cleaned up some bits. But all in all, we're pretty pleased with how it's all going. Everything's going real good. All we'll end up doing is putting it back together probably next week. I'll let the owner of the bike help me out a little bit. He can then just see how it all goes. Pretty pleased with stuff. So that's our plan so far. So after a little bit of cleaning, we've got the cylinder head just about all done. Got the rockers in, nicely cleaned up, polished, and next week we'll put it all together and we'll put in the timing chain, take off all this crap. Reasonably clean valves, and just install the gear change lever selector. Just have to drop in that cam cog, something like that. It goes there, and then we've got the clutch to go on. Pretty straightforward. After that, we just put the covers on and everything will be right to go. Won't be done until next week, so stay tuned.